Hello everyone, welcome to Magnet Brains. Children, we are learning consonant blends. So come, let us learn some more consonant blends. It is F and L. F makes the sound F and L makes the sound L. So together they make the sound FL. FL. So it is FL consonant blends. Okay? Consonant blends. FL consonant blends. F, L, I, P. FL, flip. FL, flip. Then F, L, E, D. FL, fled. FL, fled. Then F, L, A, G. FL, flag. FL, flag. Then F, L, O, G. FL, flog. FL, flog. Then F, L, E, X. FL, flex. FL, flex. Now here G and L are given. G makes the sound G, L makes the sound L. Together they make the sound GL. Okay? G, L, O, B. GL, glob. GL, glob. Then G, L, A, D. GL, glad. GL, glad. G, L, A, S, S. GL, glass. GL, glass. Then G, L, A, M. GL, glam. G, L, A, N, D. GL, gland. GL, gland. Now let us see S and L consonant blends. Both these are consonants. So together they become consonant blends. S, L, S and L. Together they make the sound SL. S, L, A, M. SL, slam. Slam. S, L, A, P. SL, slap. Slap. S, L, E, D. SL, sled. SL, sled. S, L, O, P. SL, slop. SL, slop. S, L, I, P. SL, slip. SL, slip. Come here. C, L. The sound of C is K. Sound of L is L. Together they make sound CL. CL. C, L, A, P. CL, clap. CL, clap. Then C, L, U, E. CL, clue. CL, clue. C, L, A, Y. CL, clay. CL, clay. Then C, L, O, U, D. CL, cloud. CL, cloud. C, L, O, C, K. CL, clock. CL, clock. Now let us see B and L. B makes the sound B and L makes the sound L. Together they make the sound bl. Bl. B, L, A, B. Bl. Blab. Bl, blab. B, L, O, B. bl, blob, bl, blob. B, L, E, D, bl, bled, bl, bled. Then B, L, O, T, bl, blot, bl, blot. Then B, L, O, G, bl, blog, bl, blog. Come this side, it is P, that is also consonant. L, it is also consonant. It is also a consonant blend. Sound of P, the phonic sound of P is P. Phonic sound of L is L. Together they make the sound pl. It's P, L, A, Y. Pl, play. Pl, play. P, L, O, W. Pl, plow. Pl, plow. Then P, L, U, M. Pl, plum. Pl, plum. Then P, L, A, T, E. Pl, plate. Pl, plate. Then P, L, A, N, T. Pl, plant. Pl, plant. So children, we have learnt so many consonant blends today. Thank you everyone.